attack launched in Beirut is nothing but a ploy to expand this war theatre, which will be catastrophic for this peace-loving world. And I think we must all condemn this act on the part of Israelis with fullest force, because this is nothing but to expand this war beyond Middle East, which will be very, very serious for this world and have grave consequences. Two-state solution is the only answer. Immediate ceasefire, and then two-state solution. There is no other option.